Hi, today we will talk about how to become graphic designer. If you want to be graphic designer and don't know where to start, then this video is for you. First of all, what is graphic design? Well, it is a little bit difficult to answer this question with one word, but I will do my best. Everything you see in this world is belong to graphic design. Ads, TV shows, company logos, social media posts, and others. By graphic design will grow business projects, or logos will help to sell more products and other things. Sometimes graphic designers just make art. So how you can be graphic designer? There are a lot ways to be. First and free way is YouTube videos, but I don't think that only YouTube videos will help you to become good graphic designer. You have take courses, real paid courses, or go to graphic design schools in your local area. Maybe you have current work, but you want to learn graphic design as a hobby, then YouTube videos enough for you. But if you want, take it serious, my advice is take paid courses. It will help you a lot. How long does it take me to learn graphic design? Well, it is difficult to answer. First of all, it is belonged to you something like 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, nobody knows. But time is not important. More important is process. How much do you love learning graphic design? That is important. Okay, let's say you learn and now ready to work with clients. Where can you find them? No, first you need strong portfolio, because portfolio is the thing which attract clients. I recommend you to use Behance as a portfolio. Famous and free website. After this, you can find client, but I recommend you don't rush to real clients. Write to your friends that you are graphic designer, and if something need for them, do it for free. It will be experience for you. Also, real project for your portfolio. But do not forget one thing, that you do free work for your friends for once. Next time, every work you do have to be paid. After doing some real projects with friends, start to find clients from your local city, like shop owners or some kind of business owners. If it doesn't work, try websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and others. Also, do not forget to use Instagram and TikTok to showcase your works. It may help you find awesome clients. Well, it is all for today. If you have any question, write to comments. I will answer all of them. Hope you like it. If you do, like and follow for more.